Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your Google Drive files to another Google account. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive. Log into the Google account that currently holds the files you want to transfer. Locate the files or folders you want to move to the other account. Right-click on the selected file or folder. From the context menu, select Share. In the sharing settings, enter the email address of the Google account you want to transfer the files to. Make sure to set the appropriate permissions, choosing Editor. Click on Send to share the files with the other account. Now, switch to the Google account that will receive the files. Open the email invitation sent by the original account. Accept the invitation to access the shared files. Return to Google Drive and locate the shared files. Right-click on the shared file or folder again. Select Add to My Drive to save a copy in your new account's drive. You can also choose to create a folder in your new account for better organization. To keep your files secure, periodically check both accounts. Once you confirm that all files are accessible in your new account, you may want to remove them from the original account. Return to the original account and find the file or folder once again. Right-click and select Share and then click on Advanced in the sharing settings. Remove the email address of the new account from the list. Click Save Changes to finalize the removal. This completes the transfer process for your Google Drive files to another account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.